Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm excited today to talk about all of the incredible ways the latest updates to ChatGPT are enhancing the field of project management. As someone deeply involved in this field, I've seen firsthand how AI can be a game changer, and today, I'm here to share these insights with you. Let's start by exploring the newest features of ChatGPT. Recently, we've witnessed significant advancements in its language processing abilities. The AI now understands nuances and contexts in ways that were previously challenging. Imagine having a conversation with a tool that not only understands the specifics of your project but also remembers past interactions, building on them to provide more accurate and relevant responses. This is a massive step up from earlier versions, where you might have had to repeat information. The technology behind these updates is fascinating. We're talking about larger, more diverse datasets and algorithms that are more efficient at learning from these datasets. This means that ChatGPT is not just responding with pre-programmed answers, but actually learning and evolving, much like a human colleague would. Now, let's talk about the role of AI in project management. In the past, managing projects often meant juggling numerous tasks and constantly being buried under a pile of data. ChatGPT changes this dynamic. It's like having a super assistant by your side, one that can sift through data, analyze trends, and offer insights all in real time. This is particularly crucial for tackling common project management challenges. For instance, when dealing with resource allocation, ChatGPT can quickly analyze team members' strengths and project requirements to suggest optimal allocation strategies. In terms of time management, it can predict potential bottlenecks and help in planning more efficient timelines. Communication is another area where ChatGPT shines. In any project, clear and effective communication is vital. ChatGPT can automate routine communications, draft emails, and summarize meetings, which is a huge time saver. But it's more than just handling routine tasks, it's about enhancing the quality of communication. For remote and hybrid teams, this is a game changer. ChatGPT can provide translations, ensure that all team members are on the same page, and facilitate a smoother workflow across different time zones and languages. When it comes to project planning, ChatGPT's capabilities are impressive. It's not just about creating to-do lists or timelines, it's about bringing a level of analysis and foresight into the planning process. With ChatGPT, you can run scenario analyses to evaluate different project paths and identify potential risks before they become issues. This foresight allows for more robust and dynamic project planning, ensuring that projects are not only well-planned but also adaptable to changing circumstances. In our fast-paced world, real-time assistance and decision support are invaluable, and this is where ChatGPT truly excels. Whether you need quick data analysis for a sudden meeting or support in making a critical decision, ChatGPT is there to provide immediate assistance. The AI-driven insights help us understand complex datasets and make informed decisions swiftly, which is crucial in keeping projects on track and within budget. Training and skill development are integral to successful project management, and ChatGPT plays a vital role here too. It offers personalized learning experiences and facilitates knowledge sharing among team members. This means our teams are not just working on projects, they're continually learning and improving, which directly impacts the success of our projects. To bring all this into perspective, let's look at some real-world applications. In one case study, a project team integrated ChatGPT to manage their internal communications. The result was a 30% reduction in project delays and a significant improvement in team satisfaction. Another example saw a company use ChatGPT's risk assessment capabilities to preempt potential issues, saving significant amounts of time and money. These aren't isolated success stories. They represent a growing trend in project management: the effective integration of AI tools like ChatGPT. In conclusion, the advancements in ChatGPT aren't just technological marvels, they represent a new era in project management. An era where efficiency, accuracy, and foresight are not just ideals but realities. As we step into this future, I encourage you all to embrace these technologies, explore their potential, and join me in pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in project management. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts and experiences with ChatGPT in your project management journeys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.